Hi, Goldie. A very happy birthday to you. I know it's a special day and you're a special person. Wish you lots of happiness, good health, and everything best in your life. I remember the day when you were born and how excited we all were. Have a great time with the family. Enjoy yourself. Take care. Love you. Bye. Goldie was a special child. I remember I used to go for a walk with the Penji, and I used to say to her, "Ki, don't worry, beta hoega beta," because we wanted a beta, because Beti was already there. And I remember the day he was born, how excited we were. I really shouted, "It's a boy, it's a boy." Goldie was a very special boy, full of life and tricks, and he was loved a lot. And I remember every moment, and so many incidents, beautiful things to remember about him. He was pretty caring and good-natured, and he used to really be very entertaining, which he is even now, special, and we all love him.
Hello, homie G. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
May God Almighty bless you, grant you long, happy, prosperous life, homie G. In this world full of cold people, it's really a pleasure to know a person, warm person like you. God bless you. Have a great time, homie G.
Happy birthday, homie. I just want to say some people are smart, some are only handsome, some are intelligent, and some only with a soft heart. But my brother in law, homie, is all that and much, much more. All the best, homie.
Happy
Have,
birthday.
have
Happy,
a nice time.
happy birthday to you. And inshallah, hopefully next year, next birthday will be in Dubai, homie G. With Nechike, Ponika, Anshika, Mini, and Ammiji. Auntie has to be with us next time in Dubai, hopefully.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Have a nice
We
time.
will celebrate all together next time. Have a great time. Take care.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Hanji, good morning, little brother. Wishing you मेरे से नहीं ये चीजें होती हैं। Wishing you a very, 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 very happy birthday and a tension-free year and a relaxed year. Please stop worrying and look after your health. God bless you. Love you. Bye.
It takes the love and affection of everyone to reach this day in life. It is just a number, homie. Wishing you a very happy 60th birthday, our dear Goldie. From all of us, me, Ichu, Nana, Chicky, and Money, a very happy 60th birthday. Even a big hug to you, Goldie, from our dear.
अरे होमी सर जी विश यू अ वेरी 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 हैप्पी बर्थडे 60th birthday super 60. I was just thinking, out of the 60 years 40 years we have known each other, and I haven't had a closer friend than you. I still remember those days which we spent together when we joined NAVAC, and we were roommates, you, me, and Faz, and for years and years after that. It has been such a wonderful journey, my dear. We really love you and love your friendship. So, on this super day, I am going to sing one or two special songs for you. So, here goes the first one. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल है मेरी ये आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. Happy birthday, dear homie. Happy birthday to you. And this is another one, especially for you, homie. Love you. दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं. Thank you. Have a nice day and nice year and nice decades ahead. Okay, we'll be in touch. Happy birthday. Many, many happy returns once again. Bye.
Me. What a place from the ASC Golf Course. Here's wishing you a grand 60th birthday and hope you have a celebration and do send us the pictures. Well, I was in Lonavala where we took your hospitality for granted. From there on to Bombay, we had a very great time, especially your family, Minnie and daughters, Punika and Anshika. Please celebrate your birthday and send me the pictures. Well, just to give you a little fun, I'm going to sing a song for you. ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जा, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जा. Next one. जो ना पिए वो क्या जाने, पीते क्यों हम दीवाने यार. आहा, जब से हमने पीना सीखा, जीना सीखा, मरना सीखा यार. यूं कह के शराबी यूं डगमगाने लग गए, ओ दिल की बेचैनी को आया थोड़ा सा आराम, नदिया से दरिया टुटुम टुम. नेक्स्ट वन. राही मनवार की चिंता क्यों सताती है, दुख तो अपना साथी है. This is for all the engineers in the Indian Navy. Okay, homie, I'll go home and me and Bernie will again make another video and send it to you. Have a great 60th birthday. We pray to the Almighty to give you good health and the best of things for your family, and hope to see you hitting a century. See you. Goodbye. Hi, homie. Good evening. Happy 60th birthday. And we are praying that you go on to reach the century. And most of the time we talk about you and Minnie. What an awesome family. We pray for your mom, we pray for your family, and we also pray for you and your good health. Keep smiling and enjoy life. 60, head to 100. Love you.
Hi, homie. Happy birthday. God bless you, homie. Bless you and your family. Such a lovely and awesome couple, you and Minnie are. But today's your day. We love being in your company, homie. You're such a nice person, so warm. And I don't want to say you're 60 because you always look young, happy. And God bless once more. Bless your daughters. Bless auntie. And you've really got a nice friend in Minnie. Both of you are a blessed couple. Have a nice day, homie. We'll all love you.
Okay, before we say goodbye to you, this song is for you. ये दोस्ती
हम नहीं
छोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे. ये दोस्ती. Love you, homie. Come to Bangalore. Happy 60th and continue smiling. And a big hi to our auntie and to Punika and to Anshika and to Minnie. Minnie is your backbone. Love her. Take care.
Have a
Happy
nice
60th.
day.
Hi, homie. And many happy returns of the day to you.
Hi, Omi. Happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful day, life, and year ahead. God bless.
And welcome to the 60s Club.
Hi, homie. Happy birthday. It is hard to believe that this ever youthful Sardar is turning 60. It was only yesterday that both of us were doing front roll, back roll together in the Naval Academy. Time flies. Having seen you from your carefree bachelor days to the responsible Sasurji days, I can say what makes you stand apart is your zindadili and ever willingness to help. I think this is what has made you master of the masses, since part of the elite you have always been. There is so much to talk about, but I can't hog too much of footage. I hope Minnie will not edit this out also. And I wish you once again best of health, happiness and prosperity. God bless.
Homi Pal Singh Sethi. Homi the Sardar. Short name Homi. Humility ordained, magnanimous individual. An outstanding human being, ever ready to help people, able to touch people's life in his own way. Multifaceted individual, born with a golden voice, sets a gathering alight with his songs, anecdotes, and light-hearted banter. For those who have been fortunate enough to be part of his naval journey, he has been a beacon of professionalism and, more importantly, able to separate the grain from one of the very few who have been able to contribute in all the three arms of the Navy. An air engineer by his profession and qualification, a marine engineer on board his ships, and subsequently a very silent submariner. It's been a privilege to be knowing him and his family. Wishing Homi all the very best that life has to offer on his 60th birthday. Happy birthday, Homi.
Happy birthday to you.
You're turning 60, becoming a senior citizen, and we wish you a very healthy, happy, and prosperous life ahead. Stay blessed, buddy.
Hi, homie. Best wishes on your 60th birthday. May God bless you with all the happiness and a long life with your beloved family. Wish you all the very best. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Homi sir, 60 is a landmark. Just 20 years short of me. I'm sure if you hurry up, you'll catch up. All the best.
ਹੈਲੋ ਜੀ, ਗੁੱਡ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ। ਭਾਵੇਂ ਰਾਤ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਮੋਸਟ ਪ੍ਰੋਬੇਬਲੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਬੁਆਏ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ 'ਚ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਵੇਗੀ। But there is a story why recording is being done at this time. I was thinking what to say to this person. I will not have words, will find short even in maybe emotions or feelings to express true quality of this. ਉਹ ਕੀਵਰਡ ਹੁੰਦਾ charismatic ਜੋ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ is poor person, most perfect person, or I will say friend, who I told you words can't describe. We wish him not only happy birthday but this special birthday, which takes him from one phase of life to another. I don't know. All of you know him well. We have many friends. We come across many people. Let me tell you, I have not come across any bad person or even a lesser good person than me, lesser good than me. People are wonderful, but this person, Sada Homi Baji, is unique. We all know about him. So there's hardly anything I can add to what people know about him, appreciate about. Rather I think I'll be addressing Homi only. So wonderful. It has been wonderful experience to be with you. Anyway, personally, to me, I mean, we have many friends, but or many people we come across, but few people don't bother for you. Few people help you when you ask them, but he is the one person who helped me without asking, without my being aware about it. It is only incidentally I came across that not only he, but many, both of them did for me during Manju's accident. Immediately after that accident, I just came across by chance about this knowledge that what he was doing it, finally he achieved it. I mean, to tell you simply that my transfer to Chandigarh, he was the only person, he was the person who ensured it. Uh, to that extent that I happened to come to go to his office in Delhi. He was the director of something. Then he was not in the office. So PA, when I told him who I am, then he said, "Sir, I mean, there's a free time." So he just chatted with me and told me that every day, Homi sir, I mean, personally makes an effort to ensure my transfer to Chandigarh after Manju's accident. And not only that, Minnie rings up during lunchtime to ask him, okay, before you start your lunch, have you done anything for Baljit? If not, do it and then only have it. Lunch, I mean, it's too much. I mean, I was not aware of what he was doing. So after that, when I mentioned him, he just says, no, nothing like that. But he ensured all this. I mean, just saying the person who can help you without asking for help and without mentioning you, without even you coming away, becoming aware of it. I mean, wonderful. I'm really, I don't know what to say. Then when I was thinking of making this video as we decided, I just asked my daughter, okay, what do I say? She knows what I feel. She said, okay, Papa, don't worry. At night, have 2 pegs, and then after that, just say whatever you want to say. That's all. मैं कही अंग्रेजी नहीं आती, कहती फिर 2 पैग तो बाद अंग्रेजी भी आ जाती है. Oh, I think it is true. So happy birthday to wonderful person for wonderful transition to the golden cycle of life. And I mean, anyway, most beautiful Sona Sardar and Nal Soni Mutiar. Excellent combination. Very nice.
And oh, by the way, I just remembered now suddenly that he's not that he helped me because he knew me or course mate or something. Or you, our friends will know it. I just remember suddenly one incident. Vizag, maybe from airport, Dega, we were posted. We got delayed, and a whole lot of us, 5, 6 officers were, and I think 2, 3 men were also traveling in a minibus. And I don't know why we came via Gajawaka, and suddenly our bus, break down broke down there, and it was quite late in the evening. It was dark only, and suddenly, we were just thinking what to do, catch a auto or whatever, but people were in uniform and all, and there was his homies unit was there somewhere on that road. I don't know that what is that, some turbine testing or something unit there. The person, the whole organization, how it behaves when you have people like homie in the organization. Because we were there, okay, being in naval bus, and what do you say, quartermaster saw the thing. He came and said, "Sir, kya hua?" Okay, this bus broken down or something. Chalo, he went back. But after a few minutes, till the time we were thinking only what to do, driver was trying to do something, repair or whatever, trying. We saw another bus coming out of that organization and told us, "Ki, please sit down. Wherever you want to be dropped, you will be dropped." And also said, "Ki, okay, bus can be put inside that base and driver also will be dropped." Then we said, "कि भाई कैसे, हमने तो बोला नहीं, किसको, ओडी ने बोला है, क्या बोला है?" तो ही said, "नहीं सर, वो हमारा एक्सो साहब है और समथिंग होमी कमांडर HP सिंह है, उन्होंने बोला है कि ऐसा कुछ है तो जस्ट डू समथिंग." Wonderful. It's not that he knew I am there. It was not known only, but he just, that's how the reaction of not only homie, but probably they checked with him or whatever. But the organization approach, or how the organization gets changed when you have such a charismatic or whatever it is called word, I don't know, ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਭਾਈ, ਉਹ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਘੈਂਟ ਬੰਦਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਹੋਵੇ ਉੱਤੇ, ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਵੀ ਬਦਲ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ। अदरवाइज नेवी ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ आस्किंग फॉर ए ट्रांसपोर्ट, अप्रूवल नहीं है उसका, ये नहीं है, ड्राइवर नहीं है, तेल नहीं है, गाड़ी नहीं है, and this without asking, without even requesting anything. And without he being aware ke who is there or anything of that sort. Wonderful. I really don't know. There's nothing more to say. Such a wonderful person, such a wonderful time to transit on this birthday to our next phase of life. Great. Oh no, incidentally, I think time is or whatever, but that's when you, as Muskan told, Papa, don't drink ye baat bolo, so you just things will come out. No. And to the best of my knowledge, people retire, people get transferred. On retirement, people get party, a Commodore gets a party or whatever it is, all those formality, all those things happen. But homie, and few, all of you will know that homie, you and you were called, and you actually, I think you obliged them, that you traveled from Bombay, came to Delhi because you were invited for that farewell party by people in and around Delhi. I have never heard of such a farewell to a outstation friend. It happened that way. It's wonderful, wonderful. Sorry, got interrupted, but that's how it is. So, wonderful person, wonderful time, and not only me, all realize his qualities, worth, and all of us enjoy, his friendship or whatever is great. Cheers. Happy birthday, homie. Beautiful Sardar and Soni Mutiar. Bye.
Hi, happy birthday, homie. Happy birthday, happy birthday. God bless you. All your dreams come true. वैसे तो ਹੁਣ तक भी सब होए होंगे जो भी ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਹੋਰ ਇੱਛਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਪੂਰੀ ਹੋਵੇ and your number is 110 ਨਾਲ number 1 and 1 month first month and first one is your number so as your number is 1 as your month is 1 so you are good son good husband and good father number 1 husband number 1 son and number 1 father.
Homie, wishing you a very, very happy 60th birthday. Gosh, I just can't believe from 1983 and then our good times as bachelors in Bombay and then we finally met with the families in Lonavala.
And that's where all we bonded together. Our two little ones were born also there, Anshika and Malvika. And the Homipal's house was a second home for my children.
Yeah, the parties we had there in Shivaji.
And not forgetting the picnics, especially
Yes,
Limca Falls.
And the picnics and the fun we had. Really, we really missed those days, but good memories that we have. We continued in Vizag and the girls also grew up.
And all our beach parties in Vizag.
Yeah. I still remember those lovely beach parties we had and the barbecues. Oh wow, those were those days. The children have also grown up and we with Punika and Anshika, all going together to school and then catching up at the officers club. It was fun, real fun.
After every transfer, wherever we met, we just picked up from where we had left. It was as though we were never separated.
Yeah, we miss those days, but yes, time flies on and I can't believe we are all in our 60s now.
And if it was not for this COVID, homie, we would have flown down to Chennai to be with you on this momentous day of yours.
But buddy, surely we'll catch up someday and we will party.
We will definitely party. We can't miss out on the party.
Have fun.
Happy birthday once again. Have fun. God bless you.
God bless the whole family.
Bye-bye.
ओ महबूबा टिंग तेरे दिल के पास ही है मेरी मंजिल मकसूर तेरे दिल के पास ही है मेरी मंजिल मकसूर टिंग. Hi homie, with this Navigate 3 theme song, I wish you a very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. Turning 6 years old. Oh sorry, 0 has no value, you know. So, okay, turning 60 years. May God bless you with happiness, joy and many more years to return. God bless you. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear homie. Happy birthday to you.
दिल की नजर से नजरों की दिल से ये बात क्या है ये राज क्या है कोई हमें बता दे धीरे से अक्सर होठों पे आया ये गीत कैसा ये राज क्या है कोई हमें बता दे आकाश में हो रहे हैं ये कैसे इशारे क्या देख कर आज है इतने खुश चांद तारे आकाश में हो रहे हैं ये कैसे इशारे क्या देख कर आज है इतने खुश चांद तारे कोई तुम पर आए दिल में समाए ये बात क्या है ये राज क्या है कोई हमें बता दे, दिल की नजर से नजर.
Hi, homie. Wish you a very happy 60th birthday on the 10th. Have a great time and enjoy yourself. Welcome to the Senior Citizens Club. Life starts now. Enjoy.
Hi, homie. Welcome to the Senior Citizens Club. Wishing you a wonderful 60th birthday. May you always have good health and happiness hereafter. Bye.
Hi, Hoyupal Singh. Many happy returns of the day. It is a special birthday, the 60th birthday. Enjoy the day and have a wonderful time ahead. Best wishes to you and all family members.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं भूलेंगे. Hi homie, how are you? Many happy returns of the day. I also wish you and your family a happy and prosperous 2021. Let the new year brings good health, prosperity and happiness to both the families. I remember 4 years back during this month, we both called on Chief of the Naval Staff and received the retirement package. How these 4 years have gone? Why 4 years? We all joined Naval Academy in the year 1983. We have now completed naval tenure and retired. During the naval tenure, your family and my family have wonderful time. Specifically in Shivaji, Jimmu, Punika, Ansika, they have played together. For which Jimmy made it a point to attend Punika's wedding reception in Mumbai. Now we are turning 60. On this special occasion, I wish you happiness, good health and prosperity. Stay safe, stay alert, stay blessed. Bye. See you.
Good evening, homie sir. I am Bernie's brother from Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. It is a very special day today. Overall, Bernie and Prem always speak about homie a lot and always have spoken high about you. It is my privilege, my pleasure to wish you a very happy birthday, sir. Sir, may the coming year 2021 be a wonderful year for you and your entire family. So please have a blast. God bless you and may you have a very special, wonderful day. Thank you so much.
Hi, homie. Living 60 years the way you want and to your terms can be done by very few. Keep doing well. Wish you good health and successes galore. I feel blessed to have known you. Do let me know if I can be of any help anytime. Have a blast. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Hi, homie. Hello from Toronto. Wish you a very happy birthday. It's a special number, 60, but it's just a number. We know each other for 38 years now. I was just thinking about it, more than half our lifetimes. We didn't interact much while we were in the Navy, but with WhatsApp coming, we are rediscovering our relationships. I would love to have you here. I and Anisha would love to have you and Minnie here. Hope you really can visit us. All the very best. Bye. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday! Homie sir, Janam Din di lakh lakh vadaiyan. God bless.
It's been wonderful knowing you for so many years. We cherish the friendship and the bond that we've formed.
Yaar de yaar, homie Pal Singh.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sir.
Hello, homie. How are you? You are turning 60. Oh, good, great. I wish you all the best. All happiness, have wealth, and good life. Stay blessed. Stay healthy. Regards to Minnie and both the kids. Bye, bro. Take care.
Hello, homie Saab. Wishing you a very happy 60th birthday and wish you many more to come. And happy golfing. I hope you have started golfing again to do some more lassi
shots in between. Wish you all the best and wish you a very happy 60th birthday and many more once again.
ਆ ਲੈ ਹੋਮੀ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਸਰਪ੍ਰਾਈਜ਼ ਐ ਜੇ ਤਗੜੇ ਤਗੜੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਆੜੀ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਕਰੇ ਅੱਜ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਵਿਸ਼ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ 60 ਦਾ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਮਿਲਣੇਗਾ ਫੋਟੋ ਭੇਜੋ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ ਹੋਮੀ ਪਾਲ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਭੇਜ ਗੰਦ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਗੰਦ ਹਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਸੁਣ ਲਓ ਫਰੋਮ ਯਰ ਕੂਲ ਕੈਟ ਸਰਦਾਨਾ
Sir, many happy returns of the day. Keep inspiring us with your fitness, smile, and your knack of hitting pass and birdies. Wish you a very happy birthday once again.
Hi, homie, my shipmate, my golfing mate, many happy returns of the day and wish you a wonderful and a great 60th birthday. Just remember, the life is a clock. Till 60 you get old, after that it goes the other way around. You start getting younger day by day. Have a wonderful time ahead. Have a great time. I remember the good times we have had while we were on the missile boats where we were 75% Sardars on the ship, if you remember. And our great CEO, the Oud Balab Singh, would send Homie to dockyard for any work, where Homie would not only get the work done, but he would also sort out all the senior guys in the dockyard. And Oud Balab Singh was always scared of you. I remember the great times we had in Delhi golfing, the first tee off, whether it was summers or the peak of winters. It was great fun. You have a great time, you have a wonderful family, you have a lovely wife Minnie and 2 beautiful daughters. Just enjoy life, and brother, just remember, life is just started now. Cheers, all the best.
Hi homie, welcome to the group of senior citizens. A very happy birthday, Janmdin diyan lakh vadaiyan. May all your dreams come true. I wish we were together to enjoy the drink and toast the champagne to celebrate this, but never mind, it remains pending, and whenever we meet, the toast will be done. Take care, all the best, and happy birthday once again.
Sir, Sat Sri Akal. I don't know why they are saying it's your 60th birthday. For us, you will always be 16 in your heart, and wishing you always to be 16 in your life, sir.
Happy birthday. Wish you good health and happiness always.
Sir, ਤੁਸੀਂ great ਹੋ sir.
Sing is king, sing is king, sing is king.
Happy birthday,
Happy
sir.
birthday.
Baare baare dil ye aaye,
बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल है यही है आरज़ू.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hey homie, wish you a very happy 60th birthday, buddy. We have missed you terribly over the last 1 year, and we fondly remember the great times that we have had together, initially at Vizag and then here at Mumbai. You are also, of course, my golf guru, and we deeply cherish your friendship. On behalf of all of us, wish you a great 60th birthday and many more such celebrations ahead. All the best, buddy.
Happy birthday, homie.
Hi sir, good evening. Happy 60th birthday to you. So whenever we go to NOI, I remember always and every time the time we spent together when you were commanding Excella over here. I think 2 or 3 Navy nights we have spent together when I was in the dockyard and you were CEO Excella. But एक गल दसनी है तुहानू, पंजाबी ना खत्म हो गई है ही नहीं कोई इत्थे पंजाबी बंदा, की करिए. मैनू हुण आंदी है तेलुगू, माड़ी जी आंदी है लेकिन आंदी है तेलुगू. तो आफ्टर 60th बर्थडे तुहानू इंजॉय करना दूजी तरह से. दूजी तरह मतलब बकेट लिस्ट तुहाडे कोल हो गई है, उसमें माड़ी जी 2-3 चीज़ें और डाल दो. मैं जो दस रहा एक बैंकॉक शैंकॉक अज अगर गए नहीं हो तो वो डल गया जी। और उत्थे जो है ना अमरीके लास वेगास जिन्हों कहते हैं ना कसीनो पसीनो है उत्थे सुनिया है मैंने, वो भी बकेट में डाल दो और उसके बाद वोटी को नाल लो, दोनों तीनों जगह घुम के आ जाओ। जिथे जान की लोड़ हैगी लेकिन हजे मौका नहीं मिला। You must do it now after 60th and every year after that. Wishing you all the very best, sir. Have a great time.
Omi, I have some beautiful memories of our association since our Shivaji days. You both are very warm and affectionate friends, and we treasure your friendship. Wishing you a very happy, healthy, and fun birthday and following years. Have a blast. We wish we were there on this milestone birthday of yours to celebrate together and say cheers and do lots of fun and masti that I remember that we've always had together. We really treasure those moments and we always talk about them, and so we're really missing this day of yours. But nevertheless, whenever we meet, I hope and we wish we will be the same. We will enjoy your birthday once again, and happy birthday once again. Bye. Take care.
Take care.
Omi sir, happy birthday to you. A great message for you. Happy birthday to my dude friend, Yar of the Yar. 60 years young. Live it up, Sirji. Live it up.
Many happy returns of the day, Homipal sir. Wishing you a grand 60th one. It's been an honor and my good fortune to have known you all these years. The man who was all action, the man who actually made the cuss word fashionable, and a man for whom joy and happiness came first always and every time. Wishing my happy sir a grand 60th happy birthday. Thank you very much, Mini ma'am, for collating all these wishes for sir. God bless.
हेलो होमी सर, ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਜਨਮ ਦਿਨ ਦੀਆਂ। ਇਹ 60 ਨਹੀਂ, ਇਹ 16 ਜਾਂ 6 ਤੋਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। so good sir. Had we been together तो आज की रात कितनी शराब होती, कितना डांस होता, कितनी मस्ती होती, only Mini would know. It gives me a sir really great pleasure. Every day I remember you whenever I pass through aeronautical department and remember our days. और sir यहाँ पे only one thing I want to tell everybody that you gave me around 50 books when you went for MTech, and when you returned back you did not get any, not even a single one. लोकी ले गए sir, पता नहीं केड़े पढ़न लई, किसी ने पढ़ी नहीं. Anyway, and sir you always had been a friend, philosopher and a guide. You know that how much I love to interact with you, and we talk so many personal and professional things. Sir, thanks for being there. जुग जुग जियो सर, ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ, ਸਾਡੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਰਹੋ ਔਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਉਂਗਲੀ ਫੜ ਕੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਸਰ ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਅਗੇਨ। ਇਹ 60 ਨਹੀਂ, ਇਹ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਹੈ। ਬੋਲੋ ਮੈਡਮ ਜੀ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਕੁਝ ਇੱਥੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੋ।
ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਬਾਬਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਬਾਬਾ ਹੋਮੀਪਾਲ ਸਿੰਘ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਛੋਟਾ ਬਾਬਾ ਅਭਿਸ਼ੇਕ ਭਾਈ। ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜਨਮ ਦਿਨ ਦੀਆਂ। ਬਾਕੀ we are really missing you and Mini, looking forward to meet all of you. ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਕਵਾਂ, ਐਸੇ ਬਹਾਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੈਠੀ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਕਿਆ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੇੜੇ ਆ ਜਾ।
Mini, thank you so much. You are a great organizer. That's all I would say. Thank you so much. Bye. बाकी ब्रेक के बाद।
Hi, homie. Wishing you a very 60th. You're becoming a senior citizen soon. Always remember our days in Vizag when we used to be partners on the golf course, and also our pleasant evenings in the NOI. I'm here in the golf course where you could have been my partner and we would have enjoyed your birthday. You are one of the most decent and handsome Khalsas I've ever come across. All the best for your 60th and greater years ahead. We'll always cherish our friendship and looking forward to many more rounds of golf together, and wishing you a great birthday, happy birthday and all the best. Cheers and God bless.
Many, many happy returns of the day, homie.
हैप्पी बर्थडे, एंजॉय योर डे. अभी सठियाना नहीं है, अभी ना ये सठियाने वाली सब फालतू की बातें होती हैं.
अच्छा, 2-4 लाइनें जो कि मैंने ढूंढ के रखी तेरे लिए. हवाओं में परिजनों का प्यार हो, दोस्तों की दोस्ती ही उपहार हो, महके जिंदगी यूं कि आज ही बसंत हो, आज ही बहार हो, इस जन्मदिन पर खुशियां बेशुमार हो.
अच्छा, ये तो ना प्रदीप ने बोला है, थोड़ा सीरियस वाला बोला है. अब ना मैं बोलती हूँ प्रदीप एक क्या बोल रहे थे. हैं, मेरे प्यारे दोस्त हैं, लाखों में मिलता है तुझ जैसा दोस्त और करोड़ों में मिलता है मुझ जैसा दोस्त. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे होमी. एंजॉय द डे.
एंजॉय द डे. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
विश यू अ वेरी गुड हेल्थ एंड ऑल द हैप्पीनेस.
See, homie, when you're reaching your 60th, I am playing golf with friends, and you see my friend Colonel NP Singh on my left. He reminds me of you, and his golf, he plays as good as you and sometimes better than you. Missing you today on the golf course. Continue to have a great time, great days, and cheers. Chukko chukko de, all the best. एक मिनट दर्शन ਦਾ ਯਾਰਾਂ ਦਾ. हाँ भी होमी सर, देखो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਜੋੜੀਦਾਰ ਵਾਈਜ਼ੈਗ ਵਾਲੇ.
Join the 60 batch. आ जाओ ਹੁਣ.
All the best.
All the best.
ਫੁੱਲੇ ਖਾਓ ਤੇ ਚੁੱਕੋ ਚੁੱਕੋ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਗੋਲਫ ਖੇਡੋ. ਆ ਦੇਖੋ,
From Santa to Banta, join our group.
Take care. All the best. Cheers. ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਨਾ. ਆ ਲੈ ਹੋਮੀ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਸਰਪ੍ਰਾਈਜ਼. ਐ ਜੇ ਤਗੜੇ ਤਗੜੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਆੜੀ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਕਰੇ ਅੱਜ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਵਿਸ਼ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ 60 ਦਾ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ. ਮਿਲਨੇ ਦਾ ਫੋਟੋ ਭੇਜੋ. ਕੌਣ ਹੈ? ਹੋਮੀ ਪਾਲ. ਹੋਮੀ ਪਾਲ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਗੰਦ 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 ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਗੰਦ ਗੰਦ ਗੰਦ. ਹਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਸੁਣ ਲਓ ਫਰੋਮ ਯਰ ਕੂਲ ਕੈਟ ਸਰਦਾਨਾ.
Hi, homie. This is wishing you a huge, huge, huge loads of good wishes on your 60th. Oh my God, you're 60. You don't look it for one. And I have such fond memories of you, Vinny, and Vizag, the Navy balls, the challenges we went through, the huge discussions and everything. But at the end of it, we rocked. And thank you so much for all of that and loads of love that you've always given me and showered on me. And all I can say is wish you the best, only the very best, homie. God bless you. Have a great time and tons of love from me. Bye.
Sir, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear homie, sir. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, homie, sir. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear homie, sir. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to. Glancing, reflecting, a journey of over 3 decades, come 4 memories of many a shades. I recall, we were still struggling to make the training grades when we first encountered the King of Spades. A resounding voice and a cheerful smile, known to enliven you from a mile. It was but to his amicable guile that bridled and blossomed us juveniles. From there on numerous occasions, and many that called for celebrations. From the training corridors of salubrious Lonavala to the lined avenues of capacious, ubiquitous Exila. It's often that I glance back, reflect, and cherish the time, that of fun and that of grind. And on this special day, sir, heartiest greetings from deep within, pour out for a king akin. Happiness, health, joy, and mirth may all be yours on your day of birth. We continue to hold you in awe, inspired and shaped by what we saw in you, sir, over the 3 decades, from being a king to being ace of spades. Happy birthday, sir. And as they say, age is but a number, and you are a number cruncher. Happiness and health to you, sir. Always warm greetings.
Wish you a very happy birthday, sir.
Yes, ma'am. A very special thanks to you for remembering us and making us a part of this very special occasion. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Love and regards to the kids. Goodbye.